Good evening, everyone. Today, Mom has decided to take a break. I haven't done hardly nothing all day, and it felt real good. I did cook breakfast for my family, but for dinner, one of my babies was at a party, another baby was at their friends, my son was just hanging out, and so Dad decided that he wanted to cook hibachi on the griddle, the Blackstone that is. So this is what we'll be having. Here are our serving dishes that we'll be using tonight for dinner. We have our noodles, our chicken that he has been marinating all day, just a few shrimp to add. We always have to cook a separate dish for my daughter, my youngest one, because she's allergic to seafood. Here we have our onions, peppers, a little bit of salad, the coleslaw mixture, broccoli, which is one of our favorite vegetables in our home. And he also decided that he was going to cook some sausages. Here we have our water that he'll be using on this Blackstone just to make sure that the noodles stay moist. We have our teriyaki sauce. He used this the last time we cooked hibachi. But this time I think he's gonna mix the two of them. And then this olive oil, I actually found it at Burlington, and I was trying to hide it from my oldest daughter because she loves to cook, but she found out about it and opened it last night with my permission. So we're getting this all ready. He's prepped everything, and I'm going to take it outside for him to cook. So let's see what the results will look like. So we're getting that griddle ready with his chicken. And again, we're making teriyaki chicken and shrimp, hibachi style. Over here, again, are the vegetables that we use. Y'all have to excuse our outdoor kitchen for right now. One day we're going to have it all together. And my baby going to be able to cook in his dream kitchen. Right? Mm-hmm. Hopefully by next fall. I was hoping it would be this fall, but hopefully by next fall. Now he has put the shrimp in a little plastic bag and seasoned everything up. It's not the prettiest place to cook out at, but I promise you, the way he be throwing down, looks can be deceiving. His food is good now. So he's mixing his peppers and his onions, and again we have this chicken right here. Adding a little water to keep it moist. Now let me just tell y'all a little plan that we have as far as our outdoor kitchen. So this space right here is pretty wide. Wide enough for what we want to do. But the plan is to get this roof extended out over to about here. Some cement on the ground with some really nice columns. Hopefully stone columns. And up against this wall, we plan on having the television. Where's that? Where's the bar going to be? It's going to be like a buffet. Okay, so here, right here, is like going to be the buffet bar. What's going to be along this back part right here? Okay, so now I got you. So now this is where the grill and the griddle will sit, and hopefully a really nice outdoor cooler refrigerator. And again, the buffet bar is going to be here with some bar stools behind. Television up there. What's going to be in that space over there where you're at? Okay, food prep. Okay, so we'll have some counters and things like countertops and things like that. And again, we'll be putting cement down. I was trying to get him to do like some type of deck flooring or wood flooring, but he doesn't want that. He really wants cement. So once we get all that done, We'll add a little piece of carpet out here. A couple of extra decor pieces. It'll be nice. Again, it doesn't look that good right now. But I promise you, one day soon. Oh, this is going to be nice. I'm back to his cooking. So he has put the dome over top of the vegetable. Is that the vegetables? The noodles. Okay, the noodles are cooking underneath. Is that hot? No. He's mixing his teriyaki sauce on there. Over here is his prep area. Got those dishes out. Make sure we got to watch out for flies, because we don't do all the bugs. I didn't have this inside the house, but this little bottle here was his vegetable oil. Even though we were using olive oil, this is his vegetable oil. So he's got his little propane tank hooked up there. And again, I'm not sure if many of you know about the Blackstone griddles, but baby, those things can do some work. Let's put some teriyaki sauce on there.
I need something to put done food in.
The done food in?
Yeah.
Okay. Get that griddle seasoned up with oil. You better do it, boy. Did you use the Virgin Island?
Not yet.
Okay.
The Virgin Island.
The Virgin Island olive oil. The extra.
No, I didn't have enough. I couldn't bring it up.
Can you go grab that, sister? Are those pieces too big, or what you doing?
Cut them down.
Oh, okay. Is that ready? Okay. Let me grab a pan. Is this the one that Destiny can eat or can't eat? She can eat this. Do you want to get hers a separate?
Yeah.
Oh, you burned my hand. Aye, aye, aye. Okay. Gotta clean around that bowl. So that's the cabbage. I thought it was a salad with coleslaw, but it's actually cabbage. Sissy, you want to pour some on there? Wait, ask Dad first, because get up in there, boo. All over, all over. Oh, yeah. These are the final results of our shrimp and chicken teriyaki. Here's our shrimp. This is the bowl I like most. This is some extras. A little bit of sausage. And all cooked by, what's your stage name?
I don't have one.
He told me a while ago it was Willis. So it's Willis on the griddle. All right, we about to go eat. Thanks for watching.